In front of me I have New Balance RunIQ, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it either by tapping on the screen or pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you'd like to use and then tap on it to apply it. For example, this one. As you can see, the watch face changed. Maybe it's not too visible because they don't differ too much, but let's do something like this. Oh. And now it's more visible. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, some of the watch faces have this settings icon, or rather, settings icon below them. Tap on this icon, and here we can change, for example, the color of the background. And that's about it for this watch face. Let's see if some other watch faces have different settings. Yes, for example, this one has color, and you can change the widget. So you have goal and you can tap on it. Oh no, you can just change the goal, I guess, but there's only one. That's weird. And you can change the color, I guess. And check the different one, just to be sure. So let's check the digital one. So let's tap on settings. Here we can change the color themes, for example, carbon. So that's about it. You can only change the colors and maybe some widgets, but most of them are not really customizable. Okay. You can also change the watch face via the phone app. So let's bring our phone, of course the phone that is paired with our watch. On that phone, open the Wear OS application. In the app, you should see the New Balance RunIQ page. And here you should have the watch faces category. Tap on more. We have a list of watch faces we can select. Tap on the one you like to select it and apply it on your watch. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.